Hello everyone, this is grade 6, module 1, lesson 19, problem set. So what we're doing now is we're going to be comparing some rates and ratios to find the best unit rate. And it looks like we're going to be working with some gas mileage. So our first thing to read is right up here for the problem set. Victor was having a hard time deciding which new vehicle he should buy. He decided to make the final decision based on gas efficiency of each car. A car that is more gas efficient gets more miles per gallon of gas. When he asked the manager at each car dealership for the gas mileage data, he received two different representations, which are shown below. So if we look at vehicle 1, here is the different values. So in 4 gallons, it travels 72 miles, 8 gallons, 144, 12 gallons, 216. And for vehicle 2, the Supreme, I can see that at 3 gallons, it's at 50. 6 gallons, it's at 100. 9 gallons, it's at 150. So we have a couple different representations. So for one, if Victor based his decision only on gas efficiency, which car should he buy? Well, we want to make sure that we try to get this down into unit rate. So miles per gallon. That's normally what we talk about when we talk about gas efficiency for cars, is the miles per gallon. So I'm going to put miles on the top and gallons on the bottom. So for Legend, it went 72 miles for 4 gallons. I could use any of these conversions here, or of these ratios. They're all equivalent, but I'm going to take the smallest one, and I know that in order to find unit rate, I'm going to divide 72 by 4. And it looks like I'm going to end up with 18. And now I need my units, miles per gallon. And that's the way we write it. It always comes the top unit first, then the word per for this fraction bar, and then G for gallon afterwards. So MPG. So Legend travels or has gas efficiency of 18 miles per gallon. Now for the Supreme, I'm gonna pick one, and I'm gonna use the first one here, 3 gallons and 50 miles. And again, I want miles per gallon, so I got to put 50 miles for 3 gallons. And I'm going to divide again. 50 and 3. And it's looking pretty close. 6. And it looks like it's going to keep repeating. I'm going to keep getting 2. So I'm going to write that as a fraction. So I'll bring that 2 up top and use this as my denominator. So 16 2/3 miles per gallon. So there's my 2 conversions. And those are my miles per gallon or my gas efficiency. So for one says, if Victor based his decision only on gas efficiency, which car should he buy? He should buy Legend because it gets better gas mileage. He can travel further on 1 gallon of gas than if he bought Supreme. Now for 2, it says, after comparing the Legend and Supreme, Victor saw an advertisement for a third vehicle, the Lunar. The manager said that the Lunar can travel about 289 miles on a tank of gas. If the gas tank can hold 17 gallons of gas, is the Lunar Victor's best option? Why or why not? So we know that based on what this sales manager says, it can travel 289 miles in 17 gallons. So I need to figure it out for 1 gallon. So I'm going to find the unit rate by dividing. I'll do 289 divided by 17. And what I'm going to end up with, it looks like this is going to go in 7 times. Yeah. So 17. Now, if I didn't know that, I wouldn't have started with 7. I would have started with 5 to see if I needed to go higher or not. So I just picked 7 because I know 7 times 7 is 49, and I'm looking for a 9 in that one spot. So 17 miles per gallon. Should he buy the Lunar or the Legend? And he should still stay with the Legend because the Legend still has better gas mileage. So that's what my explanation would be right here for the why or why not. He shouldn't choose this Lunar because it doesn't get as good of gas mileage as the Legend. So that's how we found our unit rate to compare these different vehicles. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the rest of your problem set.